much travel. I'm getting ready to head out the door and go to the south of Spain. I'll be visiting Granada, and so now Granada will be my first stop. I will be taking the Alsa bus to get there, so come on, let's go on this journey together. In order to get to Granada, I took the metro to the bus station, and from the bus station, I took the Alsa bus. The Alsa bus is a cheap and convenient way to travel around Spain. This bus costs under 30 euros, and it was a direct bus ride from Madrid to Granada. After arriving at the bus station in Granada, I took a bus to my hostel and dropped off my things. Then I went for tapas. Granada is known for giving a free tapa with every drink. Then we had like a chill day, and the next day we got up early and went to the Alhambra, which is, if not one of the top tourist sites in Granada. I purchased my ticket on their website. They offer different packages where you can see different sites around the city, and also please bring your passport because they did ask for identification once I got to the ticket station to get my tickets checked. The great thing about the Alhambra is they have different areas that you can explore. Like here, I'm walking around. There's beautiful fountains and views. They also have an area called General Life. As you can see here, it has more fountains, trees. It's just very beautiful, picturesque. So bring your cameras, wear something nice, and just get ready to take Instagram photos all day. Here we are, we've reached the Alhambra. This is one of the first sites you'll see once you get through security. As you can see, there are a couple of stop signs surrounding this area because you're not supposed to touch the walls. They want to preserve the natural material. However, they do have sections where they have different textiles that you can touch, see, have a closer look so you can have an idea of what these textile patterns and materials felt like. Also, lots of beautiful waters like this and architecture. This is me showing face. I did not record myself talking throughout this video because I had a really bad sinus infection. Man, my sinuses were sinusing, but it's okay because I still got the views. Look at this view right here. I spent most of my day on my first full day exploring the Alhambra. So the next day I woke up a little early, had brunch. Me and my friend got this special where he got 2 main dishes, 2 smoothies, and 2 coffees. And then we went to this astrology museum. It's free to enter. All you have to say is where you're from. After that, we had a ticket that we purchased that had the Alhambra and also other sites around the city. So we went off to visit the different locations around town. After exploring the different palaces around the city that were included in my ticket, I went to the market. This market reminded me so much of Morocco. There's a lot of similarities, and also I saw some souvenirs that I saw in Morocco in this market, so it's worth a look if you like shopping. In the evening, we went to this viewpoint to see the sunset. It's a great way and a great place to see the sunset and the Alhambra, and that wraps up our trip in Granada.